Welcome to DUDR Academy. This video is the continuation of the question paper discussion, the JPHN question paper conducted by Kerala PSC, the Junior Public Health Nurse Grade 2 Health Municipal Common Service. And this is the part 3 of the question paper discussion. I have already uploaded the part 1 and part 2. The link for these videos of JPHN question paper is given in description. You can watch it. So let me start question 36. The drug of choice of eclampsia. Options: carboprost, nifedipine, ergometrin, magnesium sulfate. Right answer is magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate is effective in preventing the seizures in both mild and severe eclampsia by acting as a vasodilator with the actions in the cerebrovasculature or peripheral vasculature. So correct answer is magnesium sulfate. Then question number 37. A Rh negative mother with a Rh positive baby should receive anti-D within. Rh negative mother with a Rh positive baby should receive anti-D within. Options: 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours, 96 hours. Right answer is 72 hours. Anti-D is given within 72 hours after childbirth to reduce the risk of Rh alloimmunization in Rh negative women who have given birth to an Rh positive baby. Question number 38. The drug used to reduce fever. Options: antipyretic, antispasmodic, analgesic, antiplatelet. Correct answer is antipyretic. Antipyretic are the drugs that are given to reduce the fever. And antispasmodic drugs are given to relieve the spasm, and analgesics helps in relieving pain. Antiplatelet drugs inhibit platelet aggregation. Question number 39. The placenta is completely formed and starts functioning after. Options: 4 weeks, 8 weeks, 10 weeks, 12 weeks. Correct answer is 10 weeks. After 10 weeks, fetus is dependent on nutrients from maternal circulation through developing placenta. So correct answer is 10 weeks. Question number 40. The amount of amniotic fluid at term. Options: 1500 ml, 1200 ml, 1000 ml, 800 ml. Correct answer is 800 ml. Amount of amniotic fluid at term is approximately 800 ml and it constitutes 6% of total maternal weight gain by fluids. Question number 41. In which part of the fallopian tube fertilization occurs? In which part of the fallopian tube fertilization occurs? Options: isthmus, ampulla, infundibulum, interstitial portion. Correct answer is ampulla. Question number 42. The pacemaker of heart is. Options: SA node, AV node, bundle of His, Purkinje fibers. The pacemaker of heart is. Options: SA node, AV node, bundle of His, Purkinje fibers. Right answer is SA node. SA node is known as heart's natural pacemaker. SA node consists of cluster of cells situated in the upper part of wall of right atrium. Question number 43. The largest artery in the body. Options: aorta, pulmonary artery, femoral artery, cerebral artery. The largest artery in the body. Correct answer is aorta. Aorta is the largest artery in which left ventricle pumps blood for distribution to the whole body. Question number 44. The outer covering of lungs. The outer covering of lungs. Options: peritoneum, pericardium, pleura, meninges. Right answer is pleura. Pleura is known as the outer covering of lungs. And peritoneum is the serous membrane forming the lining of abdominal cavity. Peritoneum is the serous membrane forming the lining of abdominal cavity. And pericardium is a double-walled sac containing the heart and roots of great vessels. So pericardium is lining the heart. And meninges means the membranous coverings of brain and spinal cord. Meninges means the membranous coverings of brain and spinal cord. Next question. The total number of deciduous teeth in children. The total number of deciduous teeth in children. Options 14, 16, 18, 20. Correct answer is 20. The total number of deciduous teeth in children is 20. Then question number 46. Total number of bones in human body. Total number of bones in human body. Options 204, 206, 209, 212. Right answer is 206. There are total of 206 bones in adult human body. Question number 47. The weight of a non-pregnant uterus. The weight of a non-pregnant uterus. Options 40 grams, 60 grams, 70 grams, 80 grams. Right answer is 60 grams. Typical adult uterus weighs about 60 grams and 7.6 centimeter long, 4.5 centimeter broad and 3 centimeter thick. So the typical adult uterus weighs about 60 grams. Question number 48. The main vector in the transmission of dengue fever. The main vector in the transmission of dengue fever. Options: Aedes aegypti, Anopheles mosquito, Culex mosquito, Mansonia. Correct answer is Aedes aegypti. Dengue is a mosquito-borne viral disease transmitted by female mosquitoes, mainly of species Aedes aegypti. Question number 49. The test used to find out the amount of free residual chlorine in water after chlorination. The test used to find out the amount of free residual chlorine in water after chlorination. Options: Hayes test, Rotharas test, Benedict test, orthotolidine test. Correct answer is orthotolidine test. Orthotolidine test is employed for determination of free residual chlorine in water. Hayes test is for detecting the presence of bile salt in urine. Hayes test is used for detecting the presence of bile salt in urine. And Rotharas test is used for detection of ketone bodies in urine. Rotharas test is used for the detection of ketone bodies in urine. And Benedict test is for checking the presence of sugar. So here the correct answer is orthotolidine test. Question number 50. The water testing apparatus used to find out the quantity of chlorine required to disinfect 100 gallons or 455 liters of water. The water testing apparatus used to find out the quantity of chlorine required to disinfect 100 gallons of water or 455 liters of water. Options: Horrocks apparatus, Bergfeld apparatus, chloranome hydrometer. Options are Horrocks apparatus, Bergfeld apparatus, chloranome hydrometer. Correct answer is Horrocks apparatus. It is used for estimating the dose of bleaching powder needed to disinfect 455 liters of water. So correct answer is Horrocks apparatus. So these are the important questions from the question paper. Thank you for watching the video.